Hi, Dr. Amy Avalar, your acupuncture business coach. And in this video, we're going to talk about one of the best resources that I utilize within my business and why it is so ridiculously affordable. $49 is not clickbait. It really is $49 a month. So I have to tell you that I have used this service for about 10 years for a variety of things, which we will cover. And I am sure that there's even more uses for it than what I am currently using. I do also have to disclose that the link in this description will take you to a page where I will earn a commission if you do sign up for this service. But I have recommended it to so many people over the last 10 years. And I only became a rep for it in 2025 because it seemed like a bad business move to keep referring without earning any kind of commission, right? Okay, so the service that I use is called LegalShield. I pay $49 a month, and that gets me access to a variety of attorneys depending on what my specific issue is. And they will give me legal advice without charging me anything extra beyond that $49 a month. They have reviewed legal documents for me. They have helped me create legal documents. They helped me create my sexual harassment prevention policy for my massage and acupuncture business. They've created privacy notices for my website, reviewed those. They've reviewed and suggested edits to my lease agreements when I was the one renting my office space, as well as helped me review the lease agreement that I had created when I rented out rooms to other providers within my space. I've also had them review the contract when I purchased the commercial building that our business currently utilizes. They will review documents for you up to, I believe, 15 pages long. I have received weird notices from creditors who are trying to have me collect money that's owed to the creditor by one of my employees, and I have had LegalShield verify that that document was a legitimate document before sending money. I've also called them for advice before every single time that I have had to fire someone, which unfortunately, is part of business. But I've called them before every single time I fired someone to make sure that I have minimized my risk of lawsuit, that I've documented everything properly. I've also called them when I've needed HR advice about how to handle a delicate situation, like someone claiming that something another employee said was harassing. I got step by step about what exactly it is I need to do. I've gotten advice on how to handle situations, what I'm legally required to do, like how to investigate the claim, document it, etc. And with that advice, I can write a document that I give to the office manager that covers if a person ever makes a claim like this. Again, here are the steps that you have to go through and the protocol that you have to follow. So protect yourself, protect your business. I have called them for advice about so many things over the years. And the way that this typically will work is you get a phone number to call when you have an issue that comes up or a document that you want reviewed. You will call in and give a description of the issue to a receptionist who's going to determine which type of attorney it is that will need to give you a call back. And then that type of attorney will call you back and advise you on your situation, usually within the next day or so. And then they can talk to you about the situation. They can talk to you about the document that you want to submit for review. And again, they'll usually call you back very quickly. And they have always had really great advice for me. So not only are you getting really great legal advice for $49 a month, but the peace of mind that I get from knowing that I didn't miss anything because I was checking with someone who specializes in my specific issue, and that they speak the legal jargon, it's worth so much more to me than the $49 a month that I pay. So I would highly recommend that you get a LegalShield membership to protect yourself. I do have the link in the video description here, and I will see you in the next video.